everyone, it's your Lux Queen Jackie and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to talk about the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. The Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis is my favorite bag at the moment. It is beautiful, it is comfortable, and so versatile. The one I have is the reverse monogram. You can also find it in regular monogram as well as in emperant leather. The Pochette Metis is 9.8 inches long, 7.5 inches high, and 2.8 inches wide. This removable strap is 21.7 inches long and it's adjustable. The differences between the Pochette Metis in reverse monogram and in regular monogram is that not only do you have a different shade up here in the front and in the back, because it's one continuous piece of canvas all the way back. That's why in the back you see that it looks like the LVs are upside down, but this is the way it's supposed to be, because as you can see, let me open it, this is one whole continuous piece, and they did it in another color so it would be reverse. So you have that coffee color as the background and then the LVs in the brown. You also have that coffee color on the sides. So you can see this is an accordion style bag. It has 3 compartments, 1, 2, and 3. And you see it has that lighter color in between and then the darker color in the middle. This is what makes this bag so beautiful. And also the regular monogram canvas Pochette Metis has vachetta leather on the handle. And this one has black treated leather on the handle, which means that this one, I believe, is more durable because you're not going to get watermarks on the handle. You're not going to get it dirty. If it rains, you can take this bag anywhere. With vachetta leather, like this bag, see how it's so light, and when it rains, I can't take this bag out in the rain because if it gets wet, I can get water stains on it, and I have to be careful with spilling water on it or any liquid because it can stain very easily. I'm going to show you the compartments that this bag has. I'm going to start with the back because it has this wonderful zipper. It's a very long zipper that takes almost the entire bag. As you can see, it has a really deep pocket. I usually put my phone there when I am out with this bag. It's so comfortable. It fits my phone, it fits my keys, it even fits a lip gloss in there or some hand sanitizer. It's a really useful pocket. Now I'm going to show you the inside of the bag. First, let me show you the snap closure. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, and it has a little bit of that treated leather in black also. So you open it by pressing these 2 little buttons together and it opens. And here's the inside of the bag. I have some air paper inside. I always keep my bag stuffed with air paper just so they can keep their shape. So we have that, and I also have the strap. As you can see, the strap comes in that pretty light color also. It's a super long adjustable strap that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes with eyelets, and you can adjust it to your length, whatever you like. If you like to wear it crossbody like I do, or if you want to wear it on your shoulder, you can put it as long or as short as you like. Now I want to show you the inside of the bag. The inside of the bag has 3 compartments, 1, 2, and 3. The inside of the bag has brownish black microfiber lining, and it says, it has a tag that says Louis Vuitton Paris there. I'm going to show you in a little bit what fits in this bag, but I just want to share with you the sides of the bag also. Here is where you would put the straps. You would hook, the straps have this hook, and you would put it snap on each side and then wear it however you would like, crossbody, shoulder, long, short, however you like, and whatever makes you feel more comfortable. So now I want to show you everything I fit in this bag. Okay, so let's start with my mini pochette accessoire. I will put it right in the middle. After I'm done putting everything in, I'm going to show you how everything looks. We have the pochette accessoire You have my Victorine wallet, compact. I have a lip gloss and a lipstick, some hand sanitizer, my AirPods. So far, this is what I have, and I still haven't put anything back here. Actually, I did put something back here. Hold on, 1 second. My glasses. My glasses go back here. So now I'm going to close it. I can fit much more. I'm going to close it. Snap. And on the back, I'm going to put my phone, which I'm using to film. So I'm going to put the phone case, my phone in there, and my keys. Put the keys right in there. Zip it. And there you go. Easy access to your phone, easy access to your keys when you get home. You don't have to go in there and fumble and look for anything. You can even put your car keys in here. That also fits. And this is how it looks when you have your essentials in there. See how you can see the 3 compartments? It's a beautiful, beautiful bag and very, very practical. Okay, pros and cons about this bag. I really hardly have any cons. I think I can only think of one con for this particular bag. Let's start with the pros. Like I said, it's beautiful, it's practical, it holds a lot of things. A lot. It is super comfortable. I love this zipper in the back for my easy access to my phone and my keys. I love that. I get a lot of compliments when I'm wearing this bag. Like I said, it is just very stylish and it's very pretty. Also, I love the fact that it has this treated leather, so I don't have to worry about stains or watermarks. You can wear it like this. You can put a little twilly on it if you like that look. But it's just a stunning looking bag. Now, cons. I can only think of one con, and that is that if you have nothing in this front pocket, it can be kind of hard for you to close it, because let me show you. Let me take everything out of the front pocket, everything I put in. So now I have nothing in the front pocket. I have stuff in the middle, but not in the front. So when I try to close it, it can be hard. You have to almost like prop it against something so it can close. But now, see, now it closed. But if you have it on and you're trying to close it, it can be a little hard when you don't have anything in this front pocket. If you do have something in the pocket, then you have no problem with it. The only other con I can think of, it has not happened to me, but it's happened to other folks, is that sometimes they say that when they buy the bag, the lock is not straight. So when you purchase this bag, take a good look at the front of the bag and make sure that everything is straight and the lock is straight and everything is aligned correctly. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Louis Vuitton Reverse Pochette Metis. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more handbag review videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.